the famous form DS260, immigrant form number 260. This is immigrant visa form, where many people who are looking for immigrant visa are going to fill this visa form. Among those people are people who are the DV lottery winners, are supposed to fill this particular form. What is this form? What are the key information or key things you need to pay attention when you are filling this form? This form is in different categories or different areas. Number one, there are those kind of personal information, blah, 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 blah. But in order to fill this form and complete well, remember, you need to have good information, the correct information about your education level and work experience. If you don't have high school, you depend on work experience. You have to put work experience in a very explanatory way so that you'll be able to get the visa without any particular problem. But while you are filling this form, in order to complete this form, you need to have the address of where you'll be staying in the United States of America. Many people don't get the opportunity to have what we call a host. So make sure that you find different ways to get the host, to get a place where you'll be staying. You have a friend, someone, wherever you are from, your countrymen, will be able to help you. Here's the address where you'll be staying in the United States of America. Apart from that one, other things will be very, very important. You have to fill them. They are not long, but they need to have the address where you have been staying, if you are the name of your parents, your name, where you go to school, criminal record, what your intention in the United States, or blah, 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 those type of form, you are there. If you ask it to, you submit that form, you will not be able to make any change. But if you want to make any change, you have to ask KCC, Kentucky Consular Center, to unlock your case number. And to unlock, you don't need to give the reason. You put on the subject your name, your case number, and your date of birth, and then you ask them to unlock your case number, your DS260. I want to make changes. You don't need to give the reason I want to change this one because the child is born or because someone died in the family is not able to come. You don't need to give all this explanation for that particular case. So DS260, once the interview schedule has been done, you cannot make any change. That is the time when the US Embassy will be able to have access that DS260. But if you go and make any change before the US Embassy, before the interview schedule, US Embassy will not see that one. Those edits, those changes you are going to put are not in the final copy until the final submission and the visa interview schedule date has been set. The embassy will have that access.